So as you can see, the valve cover is definitely leaking a lot of oil right now. But I'm ready. I got my Minecraft socks on. I got my gasket. I'm ready. But I'm actually preparing for the morning because tomorrow morning I'm gonna go to my buddy's house and then we're gonna do the gasket exchange. I'm actually taking a different approach. I'm actually painting my valve cover tonight and doing the gasket tomorrow, which may make no sense, but I swear, if I look somewhere in this garage, so the reason I have this other one is because the guy that I bought the Miata from gave me a box of a ton of parts, and for some reason, there's an extra valve cover in it. So I'm not really sure why I have an extra, but I hope it's not defective. But I went out and I bought some sandpaper and I bought some paint. So I'm ready to redo this thing. So tomorrow morning, we can just swap the new valve cover on and not have to worry about the extra steps. Now I'm just gonna scuff it up some 180. I know usually people do like 400, 600, 800. I'm just going with the 180 because I just need to scuff it up. I'm determined about this valve cover. This one I believe is powder coated and the one that's currently on my car isn't. I don't really care. It's looking all right. What do you think?
Looks good.
That's what matters. So I'm gonna let it dry and cure overnight, and then I'm probably gonna hit it again in the morning before I go out to breakfast with my dad and buddy. Yeah, that's it for tonight. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it is midnight right now. Definitely am excited to put that on this. I didn't film the second coat, but I did it last night before I went to bed. I think it looks pretty okay. I mean, I really was just looking for full coverage, but I'm gonna hit it one more time just so we have real good coverage on this.
Second, take this.
What's up, buddy?
This to his work.
Okay.
You don't know where it's at.
Yeah, dude. What'd you get?
A little over easy. Some sausage, some toast.
Oh yeah.
No.
Now we gotta go drop off Jaden's phone at his work.
Because he forgot it.
Kyle said it was 10 minutes, but it's actually 20 minutes.
It might have been 10 minutes from the house, but...
Thank you, Kyle.
What's up? What are you guys doing?
You have to manually turn off the blinker.
Oh shit, I forgot about that.
Rate your first Miata experience.
Bro, it's so much fun. Oh, driving it you're floating.
Yeah, dude.
Like, it's insane.
Yeah. Yeah, valve cover's all dried, so I'm gonna go head to my buddy's house. I gotta say, this is probably the most relaxing drive this valve cover has ever had. Here's the fun part. He was like, yeah, we can do it at my house if you have the balls to get on the driveway. I have the balls to go down it. I don't know if I have the balls to come up it. Definitely a little rough. Hot dang. This is my first time taking it down here. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Okay, first thing I gotta do is take off my top mount strut bar. We tried to take this seal out to reuse it, but it broke, so we're gonna go get a new one. Okay, we got the seal out after driving the 2 different stores. None of them had it, so we just got another one. And we're also gonna get this one and see if we can get this one out on rip. This is slightly abnormal. 3 valve covers only, 4 valve covers if you include the one on that one. 2 Miatas, 4 valve covers.